Okay folks, we continue our test drive of the 2016-17 season in our ski discovery test drive. Now the brand new Blizzard Quattro line. Now here we got the Quattro RS. RS for giant slalom, although we have a 16-meter radius, which is, by the way, smaller than the RTM 84. That is considered just like an on-piste ski. We also have a ski that is quite narrow under the foot at 69, although in this case, because it's a longer ski, it gets more close to 72. You will have just the feeling that you could do anything with this ski when the conditions are hard, packed, when it's steep, when it's dunking on a Saturday afternoon in Mont-Tremblant and it's blue as ice. Because the way the ski is constructed, because it is constructed the same way a race ski is constructed, with a sandwich laminated wood plus titanium, and on the top sheet we can see that we have a carbon layer that gives the ski a very nice snap at the end of the turn, and the bouncing and return of the ski is actually superb. I would say the main quality of Blizzard would be the way they think about side cuts. Normal skis, they have a side cut and they hang on to it and they have a 16-meter radius and that's the end of it. Blizzard have multi-different side cuts, angles to the ski if you want. As you go through from the tip to the tail, it's not just one side cut. It changes depending on where you apply pressure. And that works so well when you try to apply pressure as high as possible to carve shorter than 16-meter radius. You can even cheat and put your tip a little bit more together to try to get your skis back underneath you and ski it almost at 14-meter radius. And if you want to go all out, man, if you ski it from here down, you could carve it at 21-meter radius and actually use this ski for any beer league, giant slalom, night skiing, night racing, club racing for fun, without having to go to a World Cup or giant slalom pure ski. They're changing also in the Quattro system. The IQ power system doesn't have anymore the piston, the suspension within the IQ system power. It does absorb vibration, it gives power to the ski. It's just an easier way and better way to control all the different elements that are actually attacking the ski itself as it tries to work on the ice. We got a marker, full-on biting XL14, just what you need. And you got a little early rise here on the top. So all in all, the series goes from the RS to 4 different easier or shorter radius, pricier, less pricey, and a beautiful line for the Quattro, Blizzard Quattro, and in particular this Quattro RS.